Hey guys, welcome back to Math Sprout, and in this video we're going to learn how to combine like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable and the same type, like 2x and 3x. These can be combined, but terms like 2x and 3 cannot be combined because they are different. To combine like terms, we add or subtract the numbers in front of the variable and keep the variable the same. This helps us simplify expressions and makes solving algebra problems easier. For our first example, we have 2x plus 3x. These are like terms because they both have x. So we must add the numbers 2 plus 3, and then we get 5x. For our next example, we have 4x minus x. This is also combining like terms. So we must do 4 minus 1, which is 3. So then we get 3x. For our third example, we have 2x plus 3 plus 5x plus 7. First, we must combine the x terms. 2x plus 5x equals 7x. And then we combine the numbers. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. And we get plus 10. So 7x plus 10 is our simplified expression. For our next example, we have 3x plus 2y plus 4x minus y. We must combine the x terms first. So 3x plus 4x equals 7x. And then we combine the y terms, and they can positive 2 minus 1 equals positive 1. And we could just write that as plus y, because there's an imaginary 1 in front of it. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these on your own. Okay, let's check. For the first one, we have 5x plus 2x. So we must add them, and then we get 7x. For the next one, we have 6x minus 3x. So we must subtract 3 from 6 to get 3x. And then for the last one, we have 2x plus 4 plus 3x plus 6. So we must combine the x terms first. So we have 2x plus 3x equals 5x. And then we combine the numbers, and then we have 4 plus 6 equals 10, so plus 10. And great job! Now you know how to combine like terms. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more math lessons, and check out my other videos to keep learning. And remember, learn, grow, and go.